are loved, you are loved. Shatta Wale is loved regardless. Okay, yeah, he can be troublesome, he can be everything, he can be so sweet, but you guys, he has a lot of amazing people. Even Nigerians are rooting for him, because I'm a Nigerian and I genuinely love Shatta Wale. Okay, so he had his birthday party, you guys, and they made it rain. His friends, his fans, Medikal was there, a lot of amazing personalities were there. They enjoyed with him. It was actually a night party, and you guys, aside the fact that he got 2022 customized car, Range Rover, he also got lots of amazing gifts, including cash prizes. He performed for them. Of course, it was a beautiful performance. Trust Shatta Wale on that. Okay, let me just allow you guys to enjoy the beautiful time, the beautiful performances from Shatta Wale, you know, on his birthday. Okay.
They say, oh, this guy, no go change. Well, DJ, play them another one.
Don't take my rockets. These guys are no sakwas. As it today, you know, get your ass. Sweet like Fanta. Bitter than low. Oh, I be different. Oh, when you look like you I look like an artist. Oh, boom, boom, right.
Watch up until now. Let me know what you think about this video. Super congratulations to Shatta Wale. Many more return, many more wonderful years ahead. I am rooting for you. I'm a Nigerian and I genuinely love you. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button for more news, more entertainment with a little bit of violence. Oh shit, I will see you guys in my next one. Drop happy birthday in the comment section. Bye.